William.
And Robin.
With the Riverstone Life. And this is going to be a RV transport episode, day 1 of 12 days on the road.
12 days?
I didn't tell her that part yet. We're out here for 12 days, Robin.
No, it is 12 days.
It's 12 days before your next doctor's appointment. They were a week apart, now it's 2 weeks.
Hey.
And I'm going to try to stay out here and make some money. And we're going to put down every expense from the time we left your parents' house in Pennsylvania till the time we get back there.
Okay.
And we're going to log it all. And we're going to show what they paid us. We're going to show what we spent in fuel, what we spent in lodging, what we spent in food, and what we just spent on goofing off, and what our grand total profit is after those 12 days. To see if we lost money, if it was even worth it. Now, I know being out here for 12 days that we're going to run out of log times.
Yes.
So we're going to have to do a reset. I'm hoping we get to do a reset in Colorado.
We better.
So we get to goof off, see the grandson, see my mom, and that kind of made it worth, you know, going this direction.
Yeah.
Because I took the farthest load that I could get going west. Where are we going, Robin?
Bismarck, North Dakota.
Bismarck, North Dakota. Now we missed the ones going to Idaho and Colorado because we couldn't leave when they wanted us to leave.
We had plans.
So this is the best we could get. We have no idea if we're going to get any, I don't know if they call them backhauls or just basically loads out west that we can grab.
Yeah.
And try to make a little more money, working our way over to Colorado so that I don't have to just turn around and come straight back to Indiana because that's $200 in fuel costs when we do that.
Yeah.
So we have no idea what's going to happen.
No.
Nope.
Clueless.
Robin is still in pain in her nose.
Yes.
She got all the stents removed. Everything's out of there now. Now we just need it to heal. Yes.
Yeah.
So
And that'll take weeks.
yes, and this might be a little rough.
Totally.
But if worst case is you can sleep back there and I'll sleep in this seat. I'll fold it all the way down. And at least you'll have a
Oh yeah, I'm
little-
gonna sleep in this truck.
Yeah, we're gonna sleep in this truck. We're
Well,
gonna.
I'll say I'm gonna be in this truck. Not sure if I'm gonna be sleeping, but
Yeah.
I'll be here.
We'll be here. I mean, we'll try to spend a couple nights in the truck and then we'll get a hotel. The goal is when we do a delivery and we make money, we get a hotel room. That's kind of that's the incentive. That's the incentive, so that we're not just going further backwards. You know?
Yeah.
So I mean,
I'll go on this adventure with you.
we're gonna give it a 12-day run and see what happens. So
12
this is
days.
12 days.
Let's see if we like each other after this 12 days.
Well, I think we're going to get better at this, but we are like an hour away from picking up our load.
Yes.
It's a 30-foot travel trailer.
And it's so windy.
It's really, really windy. So I'll do a little video, and we're actually picking it up at a different place, so I'm going to try to get video of driving into this place because I've never been to this lot. They have so many lots all over the place.
Yeah.
So we'll try to get that in there. We'll try to show a little bit of it, and then we'll just add stuff to the video as things happen.
Yes. By the way, I'm wearing sunglasses.
Oh, because why?
Because it's sunny. We've been in gloomy Pennsylvania.
Every time we get to Pennsylvania,
it
it rains, and yesterday it was even cold.
Yeah, it was freezing.
I felt like it was February.
44
there.
degrees.
It was cold, yeah. So hopefully we get to see a lot of sun on this trip.
No, I hope so.
And hopefully that we're catching the tail end of this windstorm and we get absolutely great trip all the way there. All right.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
What you doing, William?
Hooking up a battery, Robin. What are you doing?
I'm recording you hooking up the battery.
Recording me.
I am.
Oh, great. Well, we made it, right?
You did. And it's warm here.
I don't think this is too big of a unit, and it's kind of low, so I don't think this would be that bad of a unit. I think we kind of got lucky here.
I don't know. You thought the last one was good, so I guess we'll find out once it's...
But for somebody that's never done this before, this is why you gotta have a battery.
Yes.
Because they don't have a battery, so you gotta put a battery on here, strap it all down. That's pretty much what you gotta do.
I like it has a little compartment to sit it in. Not all of them are like that.
Now, yeah, a lot of them are. This thing's kind of weird sometimes, and it makes it hard. This one's easy. Just always check this thing. That thing's on there nice and tight, so I don't think we have to worry about it blowing off, because I've had some where I just touch them and they're going to fall off. So you have to actually put a strap on them too. That's easy enough. Situated here, and we'll cross down. That's good. Can't lift it up till we plug the truck in.
Let's walk around.
We'll walk around and show it, yeah.
Let's see. Can't get in it yet because it's too tight. Embrace ultralight cruiser RV.
Put these up a little higher when we
Let's see if he has another excuse. First it was the sun.
make it.
Looks like it's too far. You were good until the truck rolled.
Well, you know what? I'll tell you what I wish I had the 2024, because the screen would be bigger and maybe my old ass could see.
Maybe.
It's so hard to spot in that little camera.
Maybe we'll upgrade.
My wife could have said, "That's far enough, William."
No. No, you were good until it rolled.
Yeah, that's where you took it from. Probably could have clicked the park brake on it. Probably would have. Yeah, we're still good. Well, I prefer a fifth wheel because I can get the fifth wheel. You can actually just pull it on here, hit the button, the gate drops, the camera, and I can nail it right on one shot. And I have more practice with fifth wheels.
Yeah, this one's more work.
Before we did this job, I didn't pull a travel trailer. The last travel trailer I pulled was 1999. I owned one in 99, and then I got fifth wheels after that.
So 25 years ago?
Yeah, so.
You old.
I think we're good. We'll get back on the road and we'll be back.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Back there. Wait. Hey Robin, how you doing back there?
I'll let you know in the morning.
Yeah, well, Robin's got that spot, and you can see what I'm getting.
Hey, you wanted this
I get the fancy seat, but I can lay all the way back down, right? Yeah. I would just squeeze back there with her, but I'm gonna give her a break because she's in a lot of pain with her nose still. But it's been like 40 years since I've had a girl in my back seat, so I was kind of looking forward to that.